Before watching this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about the animals, body parts and movements. Animals have different body parts. Each body part has its own unique functions. Their body parts enable them to move, eat, breathe, and even defend themselves. Many animals we know have eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and limbs. There are other animals with beaks, feathers, scales, tails, and horns. Fish body parts: body, gills, mouth, eye, fin, tail, pectoral fin. Tail helps the fish to move in certain direction. Scales, the covering that protects the fish. Fin helps the fish to move and balance itself in the water. Gill enable the fish to breathe in the water. Animals move to look for food, to find a suitable habitat, and to escape from predators. Let's see some animals like a monkey climbs. A frog jumps. A dolphin swims. A dog walks. An ant crawls. A butterfly flies.